Hey, how is everyone? Hope everyone is fine. Today our topic is how to create TikTok community interaction campaign. Okay, community interaction campaign is mostly used for the TikTok TikTok accounts. Okay, to increase TikTok accounts followers. Mostly, this campaign is used for this purpose, and also for TikTok, increasing TikTok account profiles visit. Okay, there's one more option in the community interaction community, which is a profile widget. Okay, you can also increase your TikTok account profile by using TikTok community interaction campaign. Okay, if you want to know in brief detail about what is TikTok ad manager and what is TikTok agency account, you can watch my previous video. And also in the previous video I am also discuss what how to run TikTok video views campaign. Okay, so without it wasting any time, let's start the video. For creating a TikTok campaigns, you need a TikTok Ads Manager or TikTok agency account. When you come into the TikTok Ads Manager, there is an option. There's an option you can see which is campaign, and the campaign bar you will see create option. So creating TikTok campaign, you need to click on the create option. When you click on the create option, and then there are so many campaigns are come. So for creating TikTok community interaction campaign, just click on the community interaction campaign option objective. Okay, just click on this, and you can see here which is slightly highlighted line which say get more followers or profile visit. Okay, I will tell you how to use this. Just click on the community interaction campaign. You can change this name if you are only running your own account, and you just have 2 to 3 campaign at one time, so you can just click on continue. But if you have more than 5 to 10 customer, so you need to edit so you edit this name. This is good for you, because if you not change this name, then the campaign will be mixed, and you don't understand which campaign is for which person. Okay, so edit your campaign name as per your demand. Okay, no need to open any button here. Just edit name and click on the continue button. When click on the continue button, here you can also get one more name, which is ad group name. You can also edit this as per your campaign name. Okay, which is Hassan one for me. You can add it as per your own name. Okay, so for community interaction command, there is only one app, which is TikTok. So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. There is one option. There is customer target, custom target, and automatic target. If you select automatic target, you just need to add here country. So TikTok target as per your video, as per your count, interest people. Okay, but if you select custom target, so you can select as per your own target. But I will prefer you to use this custom target, and in the custom target, just you change location. No need to change more things if you're promoting your YouTube videos. Okay, to change location, just cross this and select your location as per your demand. I am using a TikTok agency account, so I have countries for all over the world. So for now I am selecting Pakistan country as a targeting. Okay, just click on as per your demand country, and scroll down. No need to change anything. Scroll down. There's one option which is very important to change, which is budget, daily budget and lifetime budget. I am mostly using daily budget, which is minimum budget is $20. Just click on the $20 and scroll down. Scroll down. When you scroll down, I tell you this campaign. I already tell you this campaign is for a two-person. One person is follower, and the second purpose is profile visit. If you want to increase a follower, just click on it. If you want to click profile visit, then click on it. Just there is only difference selecting this option, and remaining option is same for both followers and profile visit campaign. Okay. For now, I am selecting follow, and click on the lowest cap. Okay, lowest cap, then click on next. When click on next, then next page, enter where you just need to add a TikTok video uh, code, TikTok video code, and just enter that and just submit the campaign. And this is very simple. And next page is open. First, edit your name, which is my for me is Hassan one, and scroll down where you can select your other authorized account or post. In this section, you select your authorized course and just click on submit. Select a TikTok post which you uh, paste the code and just click on the submit button. Then your campaign will be run very shortly. The campaign go for the interview for the processing interview. After some times, your campaign will be run, but mostly it will take 1 to 2 hours. If your campaign take one or two or more than 2 hours, so don't be worried. Sometimes TikTok take more time due to the flow of the TikTok ads running campaign. Okay. Take care of yourself. Important. Subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.